So in today's session, I'll tell you how we draw different kind of lips in different direction and different age groups of lips. So in today's session, we will only learn how to draw these lips. In the next session, we will learn how to shade them. Okay. So now here I'm keeping this paper in a sleeping position. From the top left corner, I'm starting with my lip. Lip number 1, a closed lip. So first comes the center line. Okay, first comes the center line, which is slightly wavy. Cross line on the top, V in between, again cross line. So always the lower lip is slightly bigger than the topper lip. Okay, so we make it that way. Make sure that the ends are pointed. Okay, now this lip, the second lip is looking towards the left side. So what will happen is the left side will be smaller, okay, and the right side will be bigger. So the shape of the lip that we have used is same as the top one, just that the left side is smaller and right side is bigger. So same thing happens in the lower lip. We keep the right side bigger and left side smaller. Now what happens in the third lip is that this is looking towards the right side. So it is looking towards the right side, so left side will be bigger. Left side will be bigger. Okay, and the right side will be smaller. Now since it's a open lip, some teeth will be seen. So there are 4 teeth that I am making which are seen. So here you have to just take care about the gap. Okay, you have to just be sure with the gap. Now comes a lip which is fully open and all the teeth are been seen. Okay, now this is also looking in the left side direction. Okay, this teeth is also looking in the left side direction. So the top portion remains the same. So we'll start with the topper lip. Okay, so we made the topper lip. So again the left side small, right side big, same as this one, just that the mouth is open over here. Now I write a C. In between I leave some space, then I write 2 C's below, and then comes the teeth part. The center teeth is bigger. As we go on the end, the teeth become smaller. Since it's a lip, the ends have a close end. Okay, then you can just make few lines around. Okay, this is done. Now comes the fifth lip. Okay, fifth lip is also center facing. So what I'm doing is I made the center line first, then I made the top lip. Okay, I made the center line first, then I made the top lip. Now the teeth, I'll show you where the teeth will come. Okay, before that we'll finish the lower lip. Again I leave some gap, and here comes the lower lip. So see just how it is bulking. Okay, bulky on this side, bulky on this side, and it is bulking inside. The middle section is bulking inside and it is slightly off center. Now this line is the middle line. Okay, this line is the middle line. So one teeth will come on the right side, one will come on the left side, and as the lip tapers, the teeth size will also reduce. Now a very simple lip we'll be doing. Now this lip was facing on the left side. This lip will face on the right side. To see how it looks like, we'll make a slanting line. This V will be off center. We will be joining the lip. Then comes the lower portion. So everything is tapering here on the left side. Everything is tapering on the left side, and this V is on the right side. Now we'll make a open baby lip. Okay, we'll be making a open baby lip. So I start from the upper lip. So the shape of the lip remains the same, just that this is more tapering. This line is more slant. So here comes the baby lip. Now we'll come to a lip which is open on the left side. So just see how the making is. We have to write a V first, then a small V on the top, join it. Okay, join it, a C down and a lower lip drop. So simple, a V, a line, a V again, then join it on both the side and a drop. This is a drop shape. Okay. Now we'll come back to a open lip from the center. So just see how I am starting. I made the middle line first, which is not very straight, it is little curvy. Then a semicircle on the top, then the top lip, lower lip. So the top lip and the lower lip remains the same, just that a semicircle comes in between. So this was the middle line. From the middle line, one teeth, another teeth, again join and join. 4 teeth, 4 open teeth. Now here again it's a open lip, but the teeth are not been seen. Okay, so this is the middle line, slightly curved middle line. Top lip remains the same. C and the lower lip. So the shape of the lip are almost same, just the gap is somewhere the difference come in. Now this is again a baby lip. This was slightly less open baby lip, this will be a little more open baby lip. So the slant that we are making, this M shape, will be more deeper. Again one more M on the top and join the lower lip. So drawing of this lip is just same as this one. It is just same as this one, just that the gap here is more. Now comes the lower part. Now this lip is quite simple. One drop. This same shape is over here. Here the mouth was open, but here it is closed. Okay, here our mouth was open, this is a closed mouth. So we'll just make the lip close. Got it? Quite easy. So in this session we are done with the drawing. Now in the next session we will learn how to shade these different kind of lips. Okay. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to my channel, share this video with your friends and do give it a like. And if you want me to make more such videos on different features, do comment in the comment section.